Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? Maybe you found yourself staring at the stars, feeling both small and curious, imagining what secrets the universe might be hiding just beyond our sight. For thousands of years, people have done the same, gazing at the stars, telling stories, and asking big questions. Across every culture and every age, humans have looked up and tried to make sense of the sparkling lights above, weaving myths and legends to explain what they saw. The universe is the ultimate question mark, pushing us to learn, invent, and dream. Every new discovery leads to even more mysteries, inspiring us to keep searching for answers and to never stop wondering. Exploring space is about feeding our curiosity and continuing a tradition of discovery. It's about reaching beyond what we know, using science and imagination to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. Ancient sailors navigated by the stars, and farmers watched the sun and moon to guide their crops. The sky has always been our map, our calendar, and our inspiration for new ideas. Today, we look up and ask new questions, ready to write new stories. With every new generation, our curiosity grows, and our tools for exploring the universe become even more powerful. Space exploration is about stepping into the unknown, being brave, and working together. It's a journey that connects people from all over the world, united by a shared sense of wonder and adventure. The universe is a giant open book, and we've only just started to read the first page. There are endless chapters waiting to be discovered, each one more exciting than the last. The adventure is just beginning, inviting us all to wonder about our place among the stars and to dream about what we might find as we continue our journey into the great unknown. What is space? When we look up at the night sky, we're peering into a realm that stretches far beyond what our eyes can see. It's a vast, nearly empty expanse that begins where Earth's atmosphere ends, extending outward in all directions, seemingly without end. Scattered through this emptiness are planets, stars, and galaxies, our cosmic neighbors, each with their own unique stories and mysteries. Our solar system has 8 unique planets, each orbiting the sun, a giant ball of hot gas that gives us light and warmth. The sun is just one of billions of stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way, shining among countless others. Every dot of light in the night sky is another sun, some much larger or smaller than ours, many with their own families of planets. Stars group together in galaxies, giant cities of stars, gas, and dust, swirling and evolving over billions of years. We live in the Milky Way, home to hundreds of billions of stars, each with its own potential for planets and life. And there are hundreds of billions of other galaxies out there, each one a collection of stars, planets, and cosmic wonders. Each galaxy is a vast island of stars and mysteries, separated by unimaginable distances, waiting to be explored and understood. The universe is bigger and more wondrous than we can imagine, filled with endless possibilities and secrets yet to be discovered. To explore the vastness of space, we need heroes, astronauts. These brave individuals are pioneers venturing into the unknown to expand the frontiers of human knowledge and achievement. Astronauts are highly trained explorers who travel in powerful rockets and live for weeks or even months inside spacecraft, far from the comforts of home. They endure years of rigorous training, learning science, engineering, and medicine to prepare for the unique challenges of space. Training underwater and in simulators helps them adapt to the feeling of weightlessness. In space, they experience microgravity, floating as they eat, sleep, and work. Everyday tasks become new adventures when nothing stays put. Astronauts exercise daily to stay healthy and strong, since muscles and bones weaken in space. They also conduct experiments that can only be done in microgravity. Their work helps us understand diseases, create new materials, and learn more about our planet and the universe. The discoveries made in space can improve life on Earth. They also perform daring spacewalks to repair satellites and maintain space stations, working outside in the vacuum of space. Life in space is challenging, but the view is spectacular. Looking down at Earth, astronauts see our planet as a fragile blue oasis in the darkness. Astronauts are our eyes and hands in space, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and working closely with mission control back on Earth. Every mission brings us closer to understanding the cosmos and inspires future generations to dream of exploring the stars. They are the explorers of our time, leading humanity's journey into the universe. Let's zoom in on our cosmic neighborhood. The Sun, our star, is a massive ball of fire that powers life on Earth and holds the planets in orbit. The Moon, Earth's only natural satellite, reflects sunlight and shapes our tides. Its surface preserves the footprints of astronauts, untouched for decades. Black holes are the universe's strangest mysteries, regions where gravity is so strong, not even light escapes. Scientists study their effects on nearby stars to learn more. The universe is full of weird and wonderful things, and every discovery challenges what we know. Why explore space? The technology developed for space missions improves our lives. GPS, memory foam, and even phone cameras have roots in space research. Studying other planets helps us understand and protect Earth's climate. Satellites monitor our weather and environment, giving us vital information. Space exploration inspires new generations to pursue science and solve big challenges. It's about securing humanity's future, learning to live beyond Earth. Our journey into space is just beginning, and every step expands our knowledge and possibilities. The universe is vast, and exploring it is an investment in our future. By looking up, we discover not just the cosmos, but our